Good morning, everyone. In today's presentation, we will cover lentil cultivation or package of practices for lentil. Common name of this lentil is masoor. As a masoor, everyone well known about this lentil. Now, first of all, importance of this lentil crop. It is a valuable human food and mostly consumed as a dry seeds, whole decorticated or seed decorticated or as a split. In Indian subcontinent, it is mostly consumed as a dal by removal of outer skin and separation of cotyledons, snacks and soup preparation, etc. It is easy to cook and easily digestible with a high biological value, hence also referred to patients. Dry leaves, stems, empty and broken pods are used as a valuable cattle feed. Due to bold seeded attractive shape to the grain, have a high demand for export with a premium prices. Now this Lens esculenta is a botanical name of this lentil and commonly known as masoor. Comes under family Leguminosae and originated from Egypt, Asia Minor and Greece. Now geographical distribution, India ranked first in area and second in production with 43% and 37% of the world's area and production respectively. Canada ranks first in production due to very high level of productivity as compared to India. Highest productivity is recorded by New Zealand, that is 2667 kg per hectare, followed by China. The country's area under lentil was 13.90 lakh hectare with a production of 10.93 lakh tons. Madhya Pradesh is Madhya Pradesh ranks first in respect to acreage, that is 39.59% area, followed by UP and Bihar respectively. While in terms of production, UP ranks first, followed by MP and Bihar. Botany, roots of these plants are well developed and lateral root system including central tap root. Leaves are small, compound and pinnate. Small sessile leaflet occurs in pairs of 5 to 7. Flowers are small, white tinged with blue, violet or pink. Flowers consist of 5 sepals, 5 petals comprised on standard, 2 wings and 2 keels. 10 stamens, 9 fused to form a seminal column, and crop is generally self-pollinated crop. Pods are short, flattened, contain mostly 2 seeds. Grain color are often light brown in color and lance shaped. Climate, this crop require very cool climate and it is cultivated in winter season. It can tolerate severe winter and frost conditions. Crop is grown up to elevation of 3000 million mean sea level, up to an elevation of 3000 mean sea level. Crop not affected by rain at any stage of the crop growth. Crop need cool temperature during vegetative growth and warm temperature at the time of maturity. Optimum temperature for growth is 18 to 30 degrees centigrade. Soil, variety of soils we can grow this crop, that is alluvial soil, black cotton soil, soils from low-lying areas of paddy field with moderately alkalinity. Soils with neutral pH are considered as suitable, acidic soils are unsuitable. Now seed and sowing. Sowing time mid-October to mid-November. Sowing method, drilling, seeding behind desi plow. Spacing 30 cm between rows. Seed rate 30 to 40 kg per hectare. Sowing depth 3 to 4 centimeters. Shallow sowing due to small seeded. Nutrient management. Generally, lentil is grown without fertilizers and manures. Apply 30 to 60 kg NP per hectare as a basal dose. Crop raised after rice in rotation shows zinc deficiency. In this case, we can rectify this zinc deficiency by applying or by spraying 0.5% zinc sulfate and 0.25% lime. Now, weed management. As far as weed management is concerned, crop weed competition period is 45 to 60 days after sowing. Two hand weeding, one at 25 to 30 days after sowing and second at 45 to 50 days after sowing. We can control the weeds. We can apply herbicides also as a pre-emergence spray of flucloraline at the rate of 0.75 kg or pendimethalin at the rate of 0.75 kg in 800 to 1000 liter of water. Now, irrigation management. Lentil can tolerate drought conditions. 1 or 2 light irrigations at flowering and grain filling stages are given. More irrigation affects the crop adversely. Varieties: Pusa 1, Pusa 4, Pusa 6 and so on. These varieties are given here. So many varieties, improved varieties are there. Harvesting and threshing. Lentil crop harvested when the pods get ripe. The plants not allowed for dead ripe, which may results in shattering of the grains and causes reduction in yield. Harvesting is done during day, early morning and dried in threshing floor. Then the plants are threshed by beating with sticks or trampling under the feet of bullock. Seeds are cleaned and dried under the sun to reduce moisture level up to 12%. We will get 20 to 25 quintal per hectare yield. Pest management. Aphids controlled by spraying cypermethrin at the rate of 0.0. In case of disease management, wilt is the major disease, and this wilt is controlled by giving seed treatment with fungicide such as Thiram, Captain or Bavestin at the rate of 2 to 3 gram per kg of the seed, and crop rotation also help to reduce the incidence of this disease. In this way, in short, we cover this masoor or lentil crop. At last, references are given here. List of references is there. Thank you friends for listening this lecture. Kindly I request all of you to watch, share, like and subscribe this channel page. Thank you.